Hey, big girl.
I
Oh
gave
yeah,
her
she
my
is
pistol.
nipping.
She's
It's cold
bad.
out.
She's really bad. I love her. This is supposed to be the cuckold chair in the corner, but it's just that was just the Blair Witch chair.
God damn. Throw it up when I can catch it. See if I can catch it.
Okay.
Yep, I can catch it. Teamwork, dude.
Teamwork. What? Look at those butt cheeks.
Fucking muddy butt right there. Got that mud butt.
He does. Went to Taco Bell. Oh, there he goes.
Went to Taco Bell. Get him.
Oh.
Get him. They're all
Fuck
stacked
you.
right now. Perfect.
Oh.
Perfect. Oh! Oh! Oh!
No.
Oh! Oh! Oh no!
Oh.
Oh no!
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
spitter!
There's another spitter.
No, get off!
What the fuck?
I was dancing with the music because it changed. I hear something.
Oh, I'm getting. You are hungry. Okay, this game is gaslighting me right now. Hang on. I need to. Oh, that's
There's a rope.
There's a shark.
What? No way.
There's a shark.
I hate that. Do you got your pistol?
Oh! No way, it's dead. Oh yeah. Okay, now I have like severe Subnautica flashbacks right now.
Like,
You're a nice sight for sore eyes. He's smiling at me. He's got a good smile.
this is a happy guy.
You know, if it wasn't for that like lobotomy, you wouldn't be a half a bad guy. Oh, there's
Hey,
people.
Come here. Come here.
There's people. Hey, bitch. I shot him right in the face.
Yeah!
Goodbye.
You're going, dude.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, dude, wait. Oh, dude, I'm cruising. Oh, I'm
You
cruising.
were cruising. Holy, oh, you caught up to the cannibal. Holy shit.
I did. Oh, the power of Christ compels you.
I don't think it's working.
Let me see that butthole. Nice. Wait.
Wait. What's that? What's that? Joe, look,
Oh!
look.
Oh!
Oh, God.
Oh! Oh, it killed me!
Oh! Hold on. I got chills, dude. Like, I have goosebumps running up my arm. My feet.
Ah! Oh my god!
Oh my god, did she kill you?
Hang on, don't move. Oh!
One down, bud. Woo!
Oh. Fuck it. Oh my!
I killed her!
Oh my god! Oh. This game's gonna take years off my life, man.
Shotgun. Oh,
Oh.
cannibals. Hey, come here, buddy. See if I give a fuck.
Look at him. Oh, his leg.
Who's... Ew. Coming all over the desk.
This is not the time or place for that.
Good night.
Oh, ew, there's a Siamese walking on the wall.
Oh, that is something I am not a fan of.
Dude, that's fucking disgusting. What's up, man?
Good night.